Magnus. Quick video today, just showing you, if you saw the Octane Resurrection video, which had an audio clip, that was my 1999 Yukon Denali, and this is the engine that makes that beautiful sound. Octane's been sitting for about a year, maybe a year and a half, and we're getting ready to get them back in bike shape. Gonna get them back on the road. We changed some sensors around. While they've been sitting, I've just been putting everything back new. Sensors, coils, distributor, wires, plugs, etc. Just knick-knack stuff. Brand new AC compressor. Just making sure everything's brand new while he was down.
That's why.
And I'm going to show you why he was down. Interior's tore out in this thing. Let's see, I got the interior dash off. This is what happened to him. This was strange. Never seen anything like this happen before, but this is the shifter mechanism for your park, drive, reverse, 2, 1, neutral, etc. It broke. Clean off. And I know I'm probably gonna get some flack. People that know be watching this like, yeah, I bet it did break, freak. Anyway, had a hard time trying to find that part, and I could have gotten it sooner, but that's like $250, $300. It's just something that doesn't break often, and when you have to buy something like that, they charge the hell out of you.
That's a damn shame.
But I got one, new used old stock from Canada for $50. So we're gonna get this put in. We're gonna get shifter back on, get the dash back on, plastic, and had a bolt to break. If you can see that in there, we got some JB Weld curing on that nut, so we can get that bolt out. We're gonna let it cure. Probably got like another 5 or 6 hours before I put a nut on it, well, socket on it, and try to break it loose. But yes, this is the truck that's been here hiding out. A lot of people have been wondering where the hell it's been, but it's been here in the yard. Motorkote. This product right here, this is a friction modifier. If you ever heard of a lubricant called arch oil, that's the same thing, and they use it in big power stroke trucks like that. I use it in the V10. It just helps solid surfaces, cuts down on the friction, makes them slide across each other just a little better. I know this probably sounds a little gross, but helps slicking things up. All right. This truck's gonna have a harsh first start, but we're gonna drain all the fluids, all the oil, transmission fluid, transfer case fluid. We're gonna bleed the brakes. I kind of put wheel cylinders on the back anyway, but pretty much this thing is gonna be drained and ready to go. We're gonna put a Motorkote in, and we're gonna start it up, and we're gonna get them going. Gonna do a follow-up video after I get the shifter on, get everything buttoned back up, and we're gonna fire it up, let you guys hear it, and let me know what you guys think. But yes, this is it. This is the 99 Yukon Denali. They only made this body style 2 years, 99 and 2000. The Cadillac Escalade, the same years, 99, 2000. These trucks are identical. Underneath this truck is the old GMT400 chassis, square body, Yukon, Tahoe, Sierra, 1500 Chevrolet. This is the same truck. Guys with the GMT400 trucks were swapping this front end on their trucks heavy, like in the 90s, and when after this thing came out, early 2000s, they were doing it. And like I said, Motorkote, this is a great product. Friction modifier. You can put it in your engine oil, transmissions. You can put it in your power steering reservoir, and it really makes a big difference in the performance of those surfaces. All right, guys, that is it. this has been Octane. Like I said, they're going to be doing a follow-up video after we get everything buttoned up and put together, get them started. Also, if you're on my channel and you're keeping up with my Mugen content from the game I'm putting together called Magnus Superheroes, I'm going to put a link or a car so you can check that playlist out. Every Friday at 10 o'clock, I'm going to be doing a new fight. This past Friday, we did Wonder Woman versus Thor. Next Friday, coming up at 10, we're going to be doing Cyclops versus Superman. More DC versus Marvel content. Alright guys, like I said, that's all for today. It's been Octane. It's been Magnus. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Peace.